Hello, it's Delaney here from the customer success team here at Filestage. So I just wanted to show you a sample social media review process within Filestage. So here we have the files separated by month. So as you can see, some June campaigns we have going on, some July, and then some August. So as a collaborator, you'll be taking a look at this dashboard where you'll see everything at a glance and the exact status of the files. So as you can see, all of the June flyers and programs have been already approved by creative review, and now we are awaiting feedback from the marketing team. So you can set due dates here. So I could say, for example, this Wednesday at 10 a.m., they must approve or request changes to this flyer so we can keep the review going. There's also ways to set this up via automations. For more information on automations, we will link our automation help center article. However, as a collaborator, you are watching for these review decisions coming in from different reviewers. So as you can see here, it has been approved by one person, but we're still awaiting a few different review decisions. So that's where that due date and those due date reminders are going to come into play. Same for these. As you can see, two people have already requested changes. So we go ahead and change the file status to needs changes. So at a glance, as the person that's going to be making those changes, I'll be able to come in and see exactly what has been approved and the files that need my changes made. So hope this helps. Please feel free to reach out to our customer success or support team for any questions that you may have. Have a great day.